So everyone, hi guys. This is Woodman Android Stereo, which has a config of 1 GB RAM and 16 GB internal. And this is my car. It's an Chevrolet Cruze, the LTZ top model. I was a bit skeptical about setting up an Android stereo in my car because of this wiring and all thing. But trust me guys, Woodman has everything been solved for us within the box itself. Well, it has everything. You don't need to cut any of the wire which is in the stereo, and yeah, it's everything coupler to coupler, so you don't have to worry about it. Right now, I have been working around this Android stereo for like 30 to 40 minutes, and I have completely set this up. And apart from this, yeah, the quality is good, right? But it's in 1 GB variant, and it has the most important thing which I was very much keen and interested about was the DSP. And trust me guys, it works perfect. I don't have an amplifier in my car. I have two components in the front, right? And I have a subwoofer which has an inbuilt amplifier, but trust me, it sounds perfect for me. And the audio quality has been increased a lot, and I can sense that the DSP is quite working good. So I can give you some examples of my sound of how does it work, right? Let me just play. Wait, I have to first set it up from my phone. And also the steering mounting does work as well. It has, you can change, you can pause, play. You can also skip this song, you can mute it. Let me set it up the music, and then I'll be right back. So here I am. I set up the music. I'll just play with my phone, and then we can control it with this steering mounting as well. So here I go. I guess it's on mute, so let's unmute.
I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in their cradles, profanities. I see the world through ice covered in ink. Cross out the ones who heard my cries and watch me weep. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.
So I just paused it, and you can just see I can also change the song right from here. So if I want to change the next song, yeah, so here it is. I have been quite good experience with the Woodman. While installing this as a canvas, so I had some issue regarding to select my exact car model, but the support team is quite good. They have arranged a callback like within half an hour, and while I was setting it up, so they helped me over the phone, and it was all done and dusted within a call itself. So good work, Woodman. I really encourage everyone to get this, because apart from getting a normal Android stereo, you can just spend some money more and get a good one, so that you can get a good experience out of it. Thank you.